Hi everyone, so in this video I will be talking about Accenture hiring 2026 interview experience. Okay, and don't worry guys, I already know what are the all things which you all want from me because from last couple of days I was busy in TCS and QT, so that's why I did not create videos from for other companies because that was the first priority. But now I will be making the videos for the other companies as well. So in this video I will be sharing the interview experience, recent interview experience for Accenture hiring 2026. Also, please tell me one thing in the comment section. If you have completed your exam, many candidates cracked the exam. Also, many messages I got that they cracked the exam using my course. So, first of all, congratulations to all of you. And you can tell me in the comment section if you have completed your interview. You can share your interview experience in the comment section. Okay, if you have completed. Okay, if you have not completed and if you are waiting for interview for Accenture, you can tell me in the comment section that you are waiting for your interview. Okay, waiting for your interview. Okay, please tell me in the comment section that have you completed or you are waiting. Okay, for profiles we already know there are total three profiles. One is ASE, which is associate software engineer. Second one, advanced associate software engineer. Third one is advanced application engineer. So these three profiles currently Accenture is offering. Okay, and we are fighting for these three profiles. Already for assessments I have already created many videos. Okay, so we already discussed what is in the game based assessment. Okay, we already discussed about the technical assessment. Okay, we already discussed about the communication assessment. Now in this video I will be sharing the recent interview experience. Okay, before going with the interview I just want to tell you guys, if you want to quickly prepare for your interview, you can check this crack interview notes. Okay, first of all, these notes are not only for Accenture. If you will purchase it one time, it is for each and every company. Okay, because just go through it. You will be getting the notes for object oriented programming, you are getting the notes for programming individually, then you will be getting STL and collection framework notes, HR questions, DSA theory, project based questions, CS fundamentals, SQL queries, computer science fundamentals, coding sheet, pseudocode output, interview experience sheet, everything. Like you can imagine, each and every subject we have included in this notes. Okay, so these notes will be very helpful not only for Accenture, for all the companies. Okay, so you can purchase it if you want to prepare for your Accenture interview in a quick way. Okay, if you want to prepare it and want to give the interview in quick way. So let's talk about the interview experience for 2026. So this was the interview experience I got on my group. So the interview went for around 20-25 minutes. Okay, and the question they asked is first introduction. Okay, so introduction, very very normal question. Then about yourself. Okay, discussion about yourself, like what you have done, and about you, about your hobbies, about your age and your family, these kind of normal discussion. It started discussion with CV, built a web development project. So the candidate who gave the interview built a web development project. Okay, WebD project, because based on that only you will understand the further discussion. Okay, explain working of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I think this is very very simple. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we a candidate need to explain the working of all three. Like we already know HTML we use for structuring. This is for the decoration part, and this is for any functionality which we want to implement. So basically, explain the working in the detail of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This the interviewer asked. Then they asked the five features of JavaScript. Okay, so five features. Okay, so many things you can tell in this. I think if anyone is working on JavaScript, they can easily tell the five features. Okay, explain your project. So they asked explain your project. What was your role? So they also asked what was your role in the project. Then SQL normalization. Okay, so only this question I think, only these two question I think they asked from SQL and of medium level. Okay, these two questions of medium level. So normalization, about the normalization they asked, and one SQL query to find the second highest salary. Okay, second highest salary SQL query they asked. Your strength, normal discussion about college, why do you want to join, and thanks. Only this is the interview question, and I think it's easy, only for 20 minutes. Okay, but the candidate was saying that for his college, each and everybody, the students who was giving the interview experience was very very different for each and every candidate. Okay, this experience I have shared. Okay, I just got to know from one candidate they asked to write a code also. Okay, and one candidate they did not ask much technical, only explaining about the project. All the questions are behavior for that candidate. Okay, so the interview experience are very very different for the candidates. Okay, this one experience I have shared, this I got in my group. Okay, so this was the recent experience for 2026 batch. If you will look closely in this, first of all there are the normal discussion around the project, about the introduction and all, then some technical question, very very easy, then SQL question, and then normal discussion. So this kind of interview the candidates got. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.